was nothing compared to the tragedy of its rise from the grave. In a market on the edge of the desert, a stranger appears. Cassiopeia, a noble woman of Noxus, looking to hire a guide to take her to the fabled lost city. But not just any guide. She hires the owner of a legendary ancient blade, the mercenary, called Sivir. Sivir gathers her band of sellswords, and they set out into the desert.
You know he's all about that bass, no trouble. He's all about that bass, no trouble. He's all about that bass, no trouble. He's all about that bass. Boy toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope bill of money, he was getting some coins. Was in shootouts with the law, but he lived in a